Hi everyone, it's Mia and it's almost the end of 2024, just a few more days before the end of the year. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I plan my 2025 or yearly vision board at the end of the year. Me and my friends, we also have a vision board presentation that is conducted a few days before the end of the year. For this year, we're going to have it on December 27th and we're going to present our vision board. What I use as a tool to create my vision board is Notion. If you have never used Notion or if you would like to sign up, it's for free. You can use all of the features for free. The link will be in the description down below. It's very fun to create your vision board because especially if you've already created the vision board last year, like right now, while I'm creating my vision board, which I'm going to show you later on, I was able to see or take a look back to what my vision board for 2024 was. And it's totally different from what happened in my 2024. But my 2024 is definitely amazing. But it's great to look back at what you thought your year was going to be and what really actually happened. I was able to check off a lot of goals on my 2024 vision board, but there were also a lot of goals that really did not happen. And it's fine because there are a lot of different wins that happened for me in 2024, but it's just great to look back at what happened last year. So for 2025, I'm going to use the same template, which I'm going to show you, which I used Notion for. And it's going to be fun creating all of my goals again and then presenting them to my friends by the 27th of December. I'm also going to show you snippets of our 2025 vision board presentation once I record that, and then I'm going to share that to you guys as well to give you more inspiration on how you can let's try as much as we can to arrange our lives on a yearly basis. So yeah, I'm going to show that to you guys and share it to you once we're done with the presentation. But if this is the first time you are watching this video or watching me, my name is Mia and I am a freelancer, a remote worker. I started off as an executive virtual assistant, but I'm currently a training and onboarding manager, training and onboarding aspiring executive virtual assistants. So if you want to learn more about freelancing, how to be an EVA, or just about life, career, and anything under the sun, you can check out and subscribe to my page and also check out my other social media platforms. Everything will be in the description down below. So now let's start watching how I do quickly. This is just a very quick video how I create my vision board for 2025. I'm trying to make this very simple for you guys so that it doesn't complicate your life. We don't want complications. We want everything to be intentional. That's my 2024 word, intentional, and that's going to continue up until 2025 because being intentional for me is really very important. It helped a lot in how I made sure that I create a really great life for myself and to reach my goals and to really be relaxed, happy, and contented with everything in my life. So intentional is definitely my 2024 word, and it's still going to be my 2025 word moving forward. So let's watch this and enjoy. This is my vision board Notion template for 2025. It's where I jot down my vision board every year. We started doing vision boards in 2024, and based on my learnings from work and from other vloggers out there, content creators, it's best to create a vision board that is, or your goals, on a quarterly basis because it's more attainable, it's easier to achieve. It's like creating your own SMART goals, similar to when you do those things at work. So this is how I create my vision boards. Let's work together on my vision board. So starting off in January, so the first one I want to do is launch my new podcast. I do have a list of to-do list already, but I'm trying to break it down into when I want to reach those goals. Next is create my rate card for collaborations and brand sponsorships. Next is finalize my EA Edge ebook, publish my EA Edge ebook, EA Edge workshop and seminar season 2. So that's my goal for January to March. I still have a lot of other goals, but just for the sake of this video, we're doing this like this. And then let's move on to October 1st, to the 4th quarter to-do list. This one is move to Spain. And for April, let's check purchase tickets to Spain, close rent in Spain. Okay, perfect. And then, January to March, I also have my 1 month Siquijor, Bohol, Cebu trip. This is going to be the last trip for 2025 actually, because everything after this, we're all just going to save up for the rest of the year. And then let's do reach 100k YD subscribers, be more active in my community. I want to also publish my poetry ebooks. By April, I'm at 106 kilos now, times 2.2, that's 233 pounds. What? I'm at 233 pounds. That's crazy. So let's target to be at 180 pounds by between April to June. But I already lost 20 pounds since October. No, since November, sorry. Okay, but anyway, this is how I make my goals and targets for the rest of the year or on a yearly basis. And then I check them on a regular basis since they are on my Notion page where I try to house everything. Go back and forth between Notion and Taskboard, but Notion is definitely going to be my go-to project management tool for 2025. And then I create to-do lists under each of these targets so that I know what I need to do on a weekly basis to reach them. So if you also want to have or to create your own vision board, what you can do is you can do it by yourself using Notion. Notion is a free platform, especially if you're using it on your own. All you have to do, if you want to sign up for Notion, you can click the link down below. I can try and make this template available for you as well, and everything will be linked in the caption of this video. So all you have to do is just use Notion, use a notebook, use a planner. Everything that you might want to use will be in the caption down below, so you can check that out. So hi guys, I hope you learned a lot in that very quick tutorial. Like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I wanted to be everything that I'm going to teach you. I want it to be very simple, direct to the point, easy to understand. I don't want to make things complicated for you guys. I want everything to be intentional. Again, 2024 and 2025 word for me is definitely be intentional with everything that you do. So I'm really hoping that you have a great holiday and Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, and have an amazing 2025. And I hope you had a great 2024. If you're new to my channel, I hope you subscribe and you like the rest of my videos. Have a great day, guys.